Hello everybody and welcome back to my workshop. In today's workshop, we'll be talking about furniture prep and how to handle different problems that might come up when furniture painting. What I got here are 4 different Dixie Belle products that are made for this. First, let's talk about white lining cleaner. The beauty of chalk paint is that you don't have to sand and prime, but there is one thing that you must do before going into any project, and that is cleaning. Cleaning your furniture is the most important step. I use white lining to clean, and it's very easy to use this product. Mix 2 tablespoons of white lining cleaner in a bucket of warm water. Don't forget to use gloves. Every time you clean your pieces, you must use gloves for protection. White lining will help your paint stick better to your pieces. When you're done with white lining, you will want to rinse it off. Never skip that step. That's the most important step that you can take, is to clean your pieces. Next, we have Dixie Mud. And if you ever used a wood filler, then you will know what this does. The majority of time I use this product is to fill up the holes from old hardware. You can use it to fill deep scratches or cracks or any imperfection on your pieces. This will do the job. This will fill up any holes, cracks and scratches. I even use it to replace a missing veneer on my pieces of furniture. Dixie Mud comes in different colors and you do not want to rinse this down your pipes. Let's move on to Boss. Boss is a stain blocker, just like shellac. Bleed through is a common problem in furniture painting world. What that means is that your furniture will start bleeding through your paint and it will start staining your paint. It can happen immediately or it can happen a month later. Usually in most cases it will happen immediately. As soon as you put 1 coat of paint, you will see some bleed through, and that's what this is for. So if you have a piece that is mahogany or cherry or anything that you are afraid that is going to bleed through later, just start with Boss. 2 to 3 coats will do the job for any color. Lighter color are going to be affected more by bleed through than darker colors. Majority of bleed through happens on white pieces. Another cool feature about Boss is that blocks odors, like nicotine odors. That is really hard to get rid of. So that's it. It's the great product. Shake it well before use, and that is Boss. Let's move to Slick Stick. Slick Stick is a great product. It's only for certain situations. What it does, it makes sure that your paint sticks to surfaces that normally it wouldn't. So glossy surfaces, shiny surfaces, hard surfaces. If you are not sure if your paint is going to stick to those surfaces, just use Slick Stick. I like to use it with a roller. And also, do not wash this in your home, it will mess up your pipes. Wash it outside or throw it away. And that's it, those are our problem solvers. Slick Stick and Boss. And that's it. Now you know how to prep your furniture and how to tackle different problems that might occur when you refurbish your furniture. Thank you for watching the workshop. I will see you in the next one.